Us 8th graders at Valley Middle School of STEM are partnering with a group of kids with special needs, and we're collecting cereal boxes for a food drive donation, and we're lining up all the cereal along the wall, and we're gonna have a domino maze for the whole school to watch. So our group is Eagle Pals, and we meet about once a month to help kids get more part of our community. So we do fun activities with them, we eat lunch with them sometimes.
It is a pretty powerful experience for both groups of students, and it's fun to see those relationships and those friendships connect. So our goal is to get them getting to know each other, because they are each other's classmates. They're going to see each other in the hallway, even if it's just a high five and, hey, remember when? It's something that these kids will kind of hang on to.
I thought like holding a wagon of cereal. The most fun I had was watching the dominoes fall.
It's fun, the dominoes.
So much fun.
We are going to collect them and box them up and bring them to our local food shelves to kind of help out our community. It feels really nice to just be able to meet with people and kind of build a really close community, and in the end we're helping other people outside of our school to get cereal if they need it.
I don't think any of us anticipated how far we would get. We almost made a complete loop around our school. The success of our cereal box drive, that was on them. They're the reasons it was successful. Makes me feel good, yeah. I'm proud of all the students. I'm proud to see them step up and work together and create new friendships and hopefully lasting friendships,
The event was so cool. It was fun with our students. They're going to go to high school with me.
I'm proud of myself.
I'm proud of myself too.